Hello teacher. Use the groups feature on Kahoot to divide your class into smaller teams, encouraging collaboration and competition in a fun and engaging way. Step 1. Once you open Kahoot, click on Groups. Create a group and give the title of your group. Step 2. You will be able to see the group's main screen. You can invite members by clicking on the Invite Members button. Step 3. You could also assign work by selecting the Kahoot that you want to add. Set the assignment submission date and time. Step 4. Click on Assign. Remember, there is a player limit of 40 members. Step 5. You can also post announcements by clicking on Post to the group. Step 6. The message should be a maximum of 400 characters. Add the message and click on the post. This feature is particularly useful if you are looking to personalize your teaching approach and create a more collaborative and interactive classroom experience. For more such tech tips from Innerscore that can help teachers like yourself learn new skills, save time, and navigate the digital world, subscribe to our YouTube channel.